भाइले चाहिँ विश गर्नुलाई अझै बाँकी रहेको छ उसको फेरि विश गर्ने भनेर उसले भनिरहेछ के को लागि विश
I will always remember this place. All the fish will survive at this lake. Pond. I mean pond, not lake. I wish the water is very hot and all of the snails survive. I wish the people don't swim at this lake. Last time, guys. I wish all the people will not swim at this lake, at this pond. Here's the final. I wish if I bored, I will come at this place. Finish.
Okay, let's go.